Let's make a holographic Druzy resin coaster. So this is my Druzy insert. I'm just going to place that down inside my silicone mold, pushing it down, making sure it's nice and secured on the bottom of my mold. Spray it with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop bubbles. I'm going to add this glitter mixed with clear resin around the perimeter of my Druzy insert. Then I'm going to fill up the mold the rest of the way with clear resin. These are so easy to make, and now I'm going to drop down my holographic silicone mold insert, placing that down right on the wet resin with the holographic rainbow side facing the resin. Let it dry for 24 hours. Here we are ready to demold it. I was a little bummed because my holographic insert moved on this one, but that was my fault. I didn't make sure that my mold was level before I poured. So lesson learned, always make sure your mold is level before you pour. Now I'm just going to go in with my nippers and get a little starting point and pull out that Druzy insert. Here's how it turned out. Super sparkly and beautiful. It's got a really awesome holographic rainbow effect from the holographic insert. I was going to turn this into a coaster, but since that holographic insert moved on me, I'm going to end up turning it into a sun catcher, and I will have it listed in my Etsy shop if you want to check out and see how it turned out when it's all finished. But let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you give this a try. It's such a fun and easy project. I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.